Yes, sir. Thank you for tuning in. We're about to do another photo shoot today. So we out, beautiful area, park. It rained today, so it ain't as bright as it ain't that bright, but it's a little light out. But today we're gonna use the Godox box 600. We're gonna be using my Canon M50 Mark II. I can't use my R50 because I don't have that adapter mount for the hot shoe. I ain't found it yet, so but we're gonna get it in today. So stay tuned, and I try to get some clips if I can. If I can't, then we'll still get you updated with the photos. Like I said, today we're using my M50 Mark II. Also paired with the Godox Pro C, the new X trigger. That's what I'm using today. Just not getting this in. Great birthday present. Also we're using it with the Godox ad600bm. So that's gonna conclude today's photo shoot, graduation type of photo shoot out here in the nature, out here at the wildlife park. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Who doing what? Hit that like button. Also, I think I'm gonna go ahead and create a Facebook page for this photography stuff they told me I need to.